What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release January 11th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have a quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 5 OG Metallic releasing on February 8th. I do have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. Also, this release plus the one that we're about to review will be shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. So if you're interested in picking these up early, you can head over to the website and cop you a pair. Now with that quick look of the Air Jordan Retro 5 out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, as you can see, we got the standard Air Jordan Retro box. Got the elephant print going throughout the base. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 3 Retro, black, dark charcoal, and white. Size 8 we're going to be taking a look at. Now with the box lid off, you're greeted with the standard elephant print paper. Peel that down. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Black Cat. Now these do not come with any accessories, no hang tags, no laces, so let's go ahead and get right into this review. Starting off with that top-down view of the shoe, all black sock liner, all black insole with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top. We got the dark chrome Jumpman logo sitting on the tongue. It is not stitched in like the classic Air Jordan Retro 3s. Got the black elephant print going throughout the shoelaces. We got shiny black eyelets at the ankle, matte black eyelets right here in the middle, and the shiny black eyelets on the base of the laces. Now taking a look at the lateral side of the shoe, all black suede uppers. Kind of got like that Durabuck material that you normally get on a pair of Retro 6s or Retro 7s. We got the black patent leather mud guard sitting behind the black elephant print on the toe and on the heel. Shiny black midsole sitting on top of the matte black outsole with the white Jordan logo sitting on the bottom. Going around to the heel of the shoe, got the black Jumpman logo sitting on top of the black Air. And I believe the only change from the OG Black Cats and this retro release, we do not have the black cat sitting behind the heel tab. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, all black suede uppers, hits of black patent leather. Now taking that last quick 360. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Black Cat. Very simple, clean colorway, not really too much to go over. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, please head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.